building a resort, if you don't want a licence, you basically build a block like this, 4 suites, and make the first one into an office. Then you don't need to get any planning permission, you don't need any sort of government licence or paperwork. The minute you go to over 4 rooms, you need to get a licence and have rules to govern maybe fires and smoke alarms and fire extinguishers, all that sort of stuff you've got to do. But if you build 4 rooms, you're no problems at all. This block's under £1 million baht, but you get your money back. 2 years is enough to get your money back. But an easy build, and 4 rooms, and you got toilets and showers inside the rooms and a balcony. But very, very popular in the air condition. But the short time rooms as well, people come for short time, and lots of travellers come here, and people stay here that's got girlfriends local in the village, so it's a popular venue. Today we're quiet. In the last week we're really, really busy, but this week maybe the money's tighter and it's a bit quieter. But if you want plans for this building, I've got plans for it, and all the drawings that were passed to Udon Thani, so, and that's the size. It's quite a good size block. But this one, like I say, you can build it for under £1 million baht and get your money back in no time at all. And we've done private parking for each of the rooms, and ramps for disabled people, and then just smoke alarm and fire bells, and each room's got power supply and a meter, so you can charge for electric if it's long stay, and the fire alarm bells here, and you need to have the fire extinguishers. But other than that, it's straightforward. Today we're working on roads, we're making a new road outside the resort, and people are, well, I don't know, something like a dry mix with cement and some sort of composty sand and lots of water, and it compact it down. Okay, but if you like the idea, then I'll make a video and show you inside. I'll open all the rooms up and I'll show you inside, and I can tell you about the build. But it took about, let's say now, to be fair, 5 weeks to complete, because we had to do all the tile in the roofs and a lot of extra work at the top of the roof had to get done as well. So, but good investment. This is a really good one. You could live in one unit yourself and rent out 4. Okay. So it's a good way to make money if you've got a bit of land.